Hey guys, EBPMAN here. Today I'm going to share with you several Mother's Day gift ideas. Now with Mother's Day just around the corner, you'll want to check out these gifts for those tech-savvy moms. By the way, this video is sponsored by Verizon and all these products will be linked in the description area below. So let's get right to it. Now amongst all the products that we're going to take a look at today, we have iPhone 12 Pro Max cases that have bling and are super stylish. Mom's going to love this. And we also have for the Samsung Galaxy S21 a case as well that we'll look at that is equally stylish, as you can see here. We have a face mask that has bling, and I got to tell you, this is a really sharp looking face mask, and that's the new normal, right? And also we have a ginormous wireless charging mat that's going to charge all your devices. And if you have a mixed home where you have iPhone and also Android devices, let's say Apple Watch, the earbuds that need to charge, this thing is going to charge them all. So let's check them out. Now the very first case we're going to take a look at is a case for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. And let's check this out right here. This is a Kate Spade case, really stylish. But don't get fooled by the looks, because not only does it look good, but it also is going to give you great drop protection. So as we take a look at this case, you'll notice that it's a clear case, has some bling going on it, really nice. It's clear, has some flowers going here, but then it also has great protection. You can see kind of like all the protection going around here. What you see happening on the inside is going to help your phone in the event that you drop it, and it's going to protect it from any kind of cracks. It's polycarbonate with a combination of TPU, so it's pretty rigid, and it's going to do a really nice job of protecting your phone and also allowing it to wireless charge. So let's take a look at what the phone will look like inside. Now the camera for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is going to be really well protected with this case. So you have a bump here that raises the case above the camera module, as you can see right here. You can see how the actual phone color itself comes through with this case. Your power port is accessible. You also see your speaker grills are there as well. On the top you have your pinhole mics are well. And then when you're holding it, it feels really good in the hand and it doesn't feel like it's going to slip out, but it really gives it that really stylish look. Also, if we take a look at it in this angle, you really get great camera protection, or in this case screen protection. So you have your front facing cameras protected, but then also what you have is great screen protection. And by the way, I do have a tempered glass screen protector on this case as well, so it's tempered glass screen protector friendly. Now for those of you curious about wireless charging, I'm going to take this wireless charger, I'm just going to place it right here in the back, and then what you'll see is that it will start charging immediately. So it supports wireless charging too. Now Verizon has a great variety of cases that you can choose from for the iPhone series of phones. And today we're taking a look at cases for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And as you can see here, I have three cases that I'm looking at. So the three that we're reviewing here are going to be fashion friendly, and then also one of them is going to be very about utility. It's going to be about storage and carrying things with you. So we have another Kate Spade case, Kate Spade here. It really looks nice, and it has similar features as we saw with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra with that great drop protection. And then I also have another one here that's kind of has some sparkle to it, right? It has some bling again because we want to keep with that theme here. But this also has fantastic drop protection. You'll see that as well, and it also has micro or antimicrobial technology that's going to keep the case relatively clean, and that's really important nowadays. Now in addition to that, we have this one right here, which is the Tough Wallet. So if you'd like to carry, or if you notice that your mom likes carrying her, let's say, driver's license, some money, and even some credit cards with her phone, and you want to simplify what she carries, this is going to be a good option as well. So let's take a look at each one, how the phone fits, and we'll see all the features. Now the first case that we're taking a look at is the Kate Spade case. Similar features, or at least look and feel, from what we saw for the Samsung one, because it's from the same line but just for a different phone. So we won't go over all the aesthetics, but you can see it's a really good looking case. It's also going to give you great drop protection, so you don't have to worry about in the event that you do drop your iPhone. I'm going to snap my iPhone into place right here so we can see what that's going to look like. And then as we'll flip it over, you'll notice it again. This is a clear case. It's going to give you really the great look of your iPhone coming through the color you selected. Great protection for your camera module here, as you can see. All your ports are easily accessible. And in the front side of the screen, it does a fantastic job of keeping your screen protected. And by the way, this is also a tempered glass screen protector friendly case. Now you have bumper protection going all the way around. Everything is super responsive, so you can press the buttons, everything works. And then what we'll do is we'll check the wireless charger. So I'm going to put the wireless charger here in place and see if it works. And you'll notice that the wireless charging symbol is here, and you see the little green bar showing up, which means it charges too. Now, just like the other case that we just saw that is a combination of polycarbonate and TPU, here we have a case from Casemate. This one has sparkle. Really like the way this looks. You have a, again, polycarbonate back that's going to be clear and protecting your phone. You have some TPU on the side, and then you have some chrome going on here with the buttons, right? So I like the way they kind of work together. And you'll notice that the glitter here in the bottom is kind of two-tone, right? So you have some stuff going on there. As we insert our iPhone, and again, it's super easy to just snap your iPhone in. And this is going to give you, again, 10-foot drop protection. So all of these products are going to really protect your iPhone. Notice how it looks in the back. Really sharp. It's very distinct. It's going to be something that's different. Protects your camera module. Same, we see great protection here for your ports. Everything here is accessible. So here you have your mute switch or your vibration lock, and then you have your buttons here. If I would press the button here, it's very responsive as well. So you can see how nicely that works as well. And then, again, I have a screen protector, glass screen protector, and it also supports it too. Now, for those of you who are curious if it supports wireless charging, it does as well. So you can see the wireless charging symbol here. It's charging. Everything is good to go. Now, the last case we're taking a look at is a tough case, but it's a wallet combination case. And it's tough because as we take a look at the back here, while you have some TPU going on here that's giving you some support and making things flexible, it is actually very rigid. The back is rigid, so it's not all flex as most TPU cases are. And then what you see in here is that you have your credit card or ID holder, you have a series of cards that can be supported here, and then you have also an area for cash. And again, this is going to be a case that is like super convenient. You can see as soon as you, and it's thin, right? So it's not really bulky. So here you can see you have the case on. I love the back. It is a satin finish, but it's not slippery, which is what I like. You have also the camera module here as well protected. All your ports here are accessible, and you can see your speakers cut out. And then in this area here, as we open it up, you'll notice that everything would place here nicely. Now, I do recommend that you have a tempered glass screen protector anytime you have credit cards or things going on here, so you don't scratch your screen. Now, as we take a look at the screen with the glass protector on, you'll notice that everything aligns really nicely. So you do have lots of screen protection, and it's going to protect your phone. Now, from a wireless charging perspective, it also works. Now, before taking a look at our wireless charger, I wanted to share with you a face mask, because this may be something that you may not have thought of as a gift, but it's really cool. And this is, again, as I've tested this with Nilda, this is a face mask that she said, I'm going to end up with this. I like the bling. I like the way it looks. And again, this is a fashion face mask. It's a combination of cotton and polyester. We'll go ahead and open this up so that you can see what this looks like. And again, with the, just with everything going on nowadays, it's something that is a thoughtful gift, since we're all wearing a face mask when we're out, but then it keeps you fashionable. So take a look at this. I'm going to open this up like this so you can see it. It looks really good. I'm probably not going to be the best model for this, but guess what? I'll bring it to my face so you can see it. But look at how that looks, right? And if I were to combine it, because if you do two gifts, look how that looks, right? And if you think about that sparkle case that we had a couple seconds ago, this would go really nice with it. Look at how you have all that bling. And you know what? Hey, I'll go ahead and bring it up to my face. Let's see what that looks like. All right? She'll like this one. So here's another great idea. And again, it's something that all of us are using nowadays. Now, we saved the biggest and the best for last. This is a massive mophie wireless charging. It's a wireless charging mat, but I would kind of put it into a charging station because there's just so much stuff that you can do here. So it's a 4-in-1 wireless charging mat. It charges, again, 10-watt fast charging, can charge 4 devices at the same time, and has a USB-A port. So let's go ahead and open it up and see why you'd want to consider this. Again, this is the ultimate Mother's Day gift because of all the things that you can do. Imagine having this in a kitchen and just slapping your phone on there or your earbuds and it just charging. Let's check it out. Now, before we go into actually opening up the box, I just wanted to share with you something else why I'm so excited about this product. This product is really convenient when it comes to customization and just overall transformation. These are the kind of use case that you can look at. Look at all the phones that you have going on here. Look at the earbuds going on here. And what I love about this is that it gives you a mixed home model. And I do have a lot of friends that you have, some in the home have Android, some in the home have iPhone. So you have a combination of both. And imagine having this in your kitchen, walking in the house and just dropping your phone, dropping your earbuds on this, and having dinner or doing anything else around the house and having things charge. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Now you have everything you need to get started to charge multiple devices right in the box. So you have a power charger, so you can see right here, this is your power brick, and it does use a proprietary connection to go in, and you'll see why in a second. You also have an Apple Watch stand, right? And keep in mind that this is something that you'll need your Apple Watch wireless charging puck to go in here. Now this is how this works. So here's your charging pad, and you'll notice that it has kind of like some indentations. Well, this is where your phones are going to go, and then this is where you can use the area right here for the I'd say the earbuds, right, that you'd be able to have here. Now, as I flip this over, you'll notice you have your USB-A connection port, and this is going to give supply power for this Apple Watch little dongle here that you can use, or this little puck holder. So this would come out and charge that. And then here's where you have the charging input, right? Now on the bottom here, you'll notice that it's a rubberized surface, right? So this is going to keep it in place. And you'll notice that it's not terribly thick. It does have some LEDs here indicating when things are charging. So this is going to be really convenient. This is going to work easily or well in a nightstand situation, or like I mentioned, a kitchen area. Or if you think about when you walk in through the door of your home, you may have an area where you drop your keys and things. You could actually just rest your phone and the things you want to charge here when you walk in through the door. So you can put this in a lot of different places. So let's see how it works. Now there's a lot of power in this pad, no pun intended, but check this out. So first, I'm going to take my S21 Ultra, I'm going to place it right on top, and you see the wireless charging, it's going. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my iPhone, place it right here, and you'll notice that it is also now charging, so we'll close that up. And the LEDs in the front are lighting up, letting you know that that's happening. I'm going to take, again, using the mixed home model, I'm going to take my AirPods Pro, charging as well. And now what I'm going to take my Jabras, my 85Ts, and I'll put it right here as well. And my LED also turned on, and it's charging as well. So I'm charging 4 devices at the same time. So guys, that wraps up our review of Mother's Day gift ideas from Verizon. Great cases for mom, and power and convenience too. See you in the next one.